she's going to give me a lot of joy and companionship, and I'm going to do the same thing for her. So I think we both luck out here.
Hi guys.
Really incredible that you're want to take her, you know, with her condition and stuff. It's amazing. Like seeing her just like happy and
Julie, hit the fish. Hit the fish. Good girl.
Take on Gidget and just enjoy whatever days we have. That's what
Good girl.
every single day. It's all about.
Hit your fish.
the last 3 years. I think it's going to be amazing.
Hit it.
Aw. She's happy.
Hit it. Yep. Scooter, what are you doing?
We're gonna get her arrested.
Is Sissy trying to smack you in the face with the fish? Yeah? She trying to smack you in the face?
Seeing her so
Yeah?